Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters.
We are so excited to share with all of you our very first series.
What?
We are going to be going on the Great North American Road Trip.
What? 7, how many days?
7.
7 days of marital bliss.
On the, are you ready?
Lake Superior Circle Tour.
We're going to be going up the North Shore of Minnesota.
Canada, Thunder Bay.
Michigan, we'll be seeing pictured rocks.
And back to Wisconsin.
We'll be looking for places to get stamps, red chairs,
Waterfalls.
lighthouses,
Hiking.
great food.
Great fun.
We hope you'll join us.
Thanks for being here.